Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and see which shape we drew last? What shape did we draw yesterday? Can you see it? What do you guess? Did you guess a blue rhombus or did you say diamond? This is a special kind of a shape and it has two names. Some people call it a diamond and some people call it a rhombus. We're going to call it a rhombus just so that we can remember that it has a different name. So yesterday was Tuesday, February 2nd, 2021. It was also Groundhog Day. So did you find out in your area, what did the groundhog see yesterday? Did he see a shadow or did he not see a shadow? If he saw his shadow, that means that you're going to have winter for another 6 weeks. And if he didn't see his shadow, that means that spring is on its way. So it can be kind of exciting. So yesterday was Tuesday, today was Wednesday. So let's put our shape in here and we'll go back to the beginning of our pattern. And we had red heart, blue rhombus. Should we put in a red heart for today? We'll do an AB pattern for our pattern this month. Let's do a red heart and we'll color it in. If you have your calendar handy, you can color it in on your square. If not, you can practice on a piece of paper with us. Or you can just practice in the air with your arm. If you put your finger in the air like this, and you come up and around and then down to a point, and then go back up and around the other way and come back down in, that's a heart. So there's lots of ways you can practice making your shapes. So yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday, and tomorrow is Thursday. That's a lot of days. Wednesday is the longest name for the day that we have in our week. Do you remember how many days we do have in our week? Ooh, I hear some good guesses. Let's count together and see if we're correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. I love it when you sing along and try with me. That's really good. So today is Wednesday, so let's look at how we spell Wednesday. Wednesday begins with a capital W because it's the name of the day, and every name starts with a capital letter. So let's spell it together. W, 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 like whale or water. Wednesday. 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 So today is Wednesday, and we're going to put it into our sentence here. So our sentence begins with today is, and today is capitalized because it is the first word in the sentence, and we always put a capital letter on the first word of the sentence. So today is Wednesday, so we're going to put a capital W, E, D, N, E, S, D, A, Y, and then we're going to put a comma, and that comma tells us to just pause for 1 second before we say the next word in our sentence. And the next word in our sentence is going to be the month that we're in. Do you remember what month we're in? Go all the way up to the top here. It's February. 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 Do you remember how many months are in the year? Let's count them together. Are you ready? It's okay if you don't know all your numbers yet. We'll practice together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. And now let's say the names together. Do you remember them? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And February is the second month in the year, right after January. So let's put our month in our calendar sentence. So today is Wednesday, February. So I'm going to put a capital F because it's the name of the month. Capital F, E, B, R, U, A, R, Y. And next we're going to put the number. Do you remember what the number is? Or can you guess what the number will be? Yesterday was a 2. What comes after 2? Ooh, I hear good guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and count together. 1, 2, 3. Good guess. Did you guess a 3? You can practice writing a 3 on your paper, or you can do it in the air with us. Put your finger up high and go around and then around again, like little loops. So start at the top and go around and stop and then go back and do it again. 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's count backwards. If you don't know how yet, that's okay. We'll practice together. 3, 2, 1, blast off. So let's put a 3 in our sentence. Today is Wednesday, February 3rd. So when we put a 3 in our calendar, we say 3rd instead of 3. So I'm going to draw a 3 here. And then I'm going to put a comma. So it's February 3rd. We say 3rd when we're saying 3 in the calendar. And then we're going to put the year here. And the year is 2021 or 2021. So it looks like there's 2 groups of letters there, 2021. So I'm going to put a 2, 0, 2, 1, and then a period. So let's say our whole sentence together. You ready? Today is Wednesday, February 3rd, 2021. Good job. Thank you for saying that with me. I love it when you try all of the things that we do. It's good practice. Did you look outside today to see what the weather was like before we started? Is it cloudy where you are? It's not very cloudy here. I actually don't see any clouds in the sky. I checked the weather. I checked outside before we started today and I didn't see any. What about rainy? Is it raining where you live? It's not raining where I live. There's no clouds. Snowing? Snow is kind of fun. It's not snowing where I live. What about sunny? It's sunny where I live today. And I see that I left the partly cloudy, partly sunny on the board from yesterday. So I'm going to replace it with the sunny. And then we're going to put it on our weather chart. Can you help me enter in our tally mark for our weather today? So if we go on our weather chart, the first one is sunny. So we don't have to look very far for that one. Do you remember how to make a tally mark? Put your finger in the sky and strike down. So can you do that with me when I put it here? Or you can put it on your paper. Start at the top and strike down. We got one sunny day today, this month. So I'm going to open up my agenda. And it says Celine's agenda. And I put an apostrophe S at the end of my name so that everybody knows this is my agenda. Apostrophe S at the end of your name means that that belongs to you. So yesterday was Tuesday, February 2nd, but I baked muffins yesterday. And my kind thing was I took them over to my neighbors. So I did do that yesterday. That was a very kind thing to do. So let's talk about today. I'm going to start by printing the name of the day and the month at the top of my paper. So I'm going to put a capital W because it's the name of our day. WEDNESDAY and then a comma. And then February for the month. So capital F because it's the name of the month. FEBRUARY. Sometimes mistakes happen and that's okay. And it's the 3rd. So I'm going to put a 3 and then a comma because I don't have room to finish the year here. I'm going to bring it down to the bottom underneath Wednesday, 2021. And I'm going to practice up to the number 3 today. Practice making my numbers. 1, 2, 3. If I practice every day, I'll get really good at making those numbers. And today it is sunny. So I'm going to get a yellow, if I can find one. I'm going to make a sun here. And today on my to-do list, I'm going to go outside and make a snowman because it's a beautiful sunny day, so it's great to play outside. So I'm going to make a snowman. I'm going to start by making a circle for his head, a circle for his body, and then a bigger circle for his bottom. And let's see if I can find a brown. For his arms, I'll find some sticks for his arms. And I'm going to find some rocks for his eyes and some rocks for his mouth. It's a little bit hard to find rocks right now because they're underneath snow. But I know where some rocks are in my yard, so I know where to dig and find them. And then I need a carrot nose. Do you put carrot noses on your snowman? And then I'm going to give him a red hat. Or I guess it's kind of a purple hat. So that is my plan for today. I'm going to make a snowman. And then I'm going to print my name at the bottom because I want to practice printing my name every day so I get really good at it. So you practice your name every day too. Start with a capital letter at the beginning because it's your name, so it needs to have a capital. So mine is capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. Practice every day and then you'll get really good with your printing. And if you don't know how to do all of your letters yet to spell out your day of the week or your month of the year, we can just start by using one letter. Let's practice with one letter. So today, let's do the letter F. You start up at the top. You can do this with your crayon or your pencil, or you can do it with your finger in the air. You can do it along with me. Start up at the top and then go down. Just like we did the tally mark, strike it down. Then go back up to the top and go across. Then come halfway down, and go across again. So straight down, across the top, and then come down to the middle and go across just a little bit. Not quite as long as this one, just a little ways out. And this is a lowercase f, so we have an uppercase F and a lowercase f. And I made this rounding part kind of big, but that's okay because we're just practicing. So you can do this with your finger or you can write it on your own paper and practice with me. Start here and scoop up like a curve and then come straight down. Then halfway up, go across. So you're crossing your F. Are you ready? Let's go back here and just arch up, and then come down and then make a line across. And if you practice every day, you'll get really good at making all your letters and you'll be able to print words all the time. So next we're going to do our feeling faces. So I'm a little bit nervous yesterday. I was feeling quite nervous because I didn't know what the groundhog was going to say. I didn't know if he was going to say 6 more weeks of winter or spring. And where I live, he said that spring is on the way. Sometimes he can be wrong, so we'll see. But let's see how we are feeling now. Have you thought about how you're feeling today? Sometimes it can change and we can feel lots of different ways in one day, which can be a little bit confusing. Okay, so let's start with angry. Are you angry? You have something to be mad about today? Something didn't go your way? A little bit angry? I don't feel angry today, so I'm going to put him down. Oh, I dropped one. I've got butterfingers today. What about a sad face? Are you sad? I could be a little bit sad because the groundhog said that winter's over and we're going to get spring. And I do kind of like the snow, so I could be sad, but I don't like the snow that much. I would rather it be summer, so I'm okay with that one. What about happy? Am I happy, content, peaceful? I could be. What about excited? Or am I nervous still? Do you think I'm still nervous? I think I'm excited to build a snowman today. What do you think? I think I'm pretty excited to build a snowman. So I'm going to put excited on the board. And then I'm going to think of something kind to do today. And I decided that today I'm going to do something that's thoughtful. When we're being kind, we're also being very thoughtful of the other people around us. So today I'm going to be quiet. I'm not going to do any shouting. I'm not going to yell at the other people in the room, even if they're doing something I don't like. I'm going to tell them very calmly that I don't like it, and I'll say, I don't like what you're doing. I'm not going to yell when I'm running outside, and I'm not going to yell when I'm playing today. I'm going to be very thoughtful of who's around me, and I'm going to be nice and quiet when I'm talking, a nice, quiet, peaceful voice. Do you think you could try that today? If not, you can try something else that's nice and kind. I hope you find something kind and wonderful to do today that's lots of fun. I hope you have a great day. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.